Hello, welcome everybody. Welcome to HM Stocks. Today we are going to discuss about the new technical indicator, which is VWAP, volume weighted average price. In this, you have to only concentrate about the volume and price. Based on this two, how the graph will be moving, how we'll be analyzing the graph, how we'll be taking the orders, we'll be discussing. Okay, volume weighted average price signals. The signal from the VWAP could be confusing at some points. The reason for this is that the same signal from the indicator could be interpreted in two different ways. That means that the VWAP signal sometimes it will be confusing. It won't be like so easy to predict it, and you have to just wait for the signal and wait for the confirmation so that you can take a trade and get your profits. So I'll be explaining you how to take a trade using VWAP. Okay, VWAP breakout. When the price goes above the VWAP indicator, this means that the strength of the bullish move is strong. That means that whenever you apply indicator of VWAP, it will be forming a line. Whenever the candle forms above the line, that means that is a strong bullish force, and the stock price will be always increasing. It is a strong sign that the price has managed to break its average value on the chart. That means that whenever a graph forms like that, that means the share price will be increasing and it will be breaking its own average value on the chart. Okay, therefore we get a long signal. The same is in for a bearish breakout, but in the opposite direction. So for bullish, it will always be in the upward direction. For bearish, it will always be in the downward direction. So in the same way, whenever it goes below the VWAP line, it will be decreasing. The share price will be decreasing, and you have to always take a sell order. At the same time, if at the end of the trading day the VWAP is smooth but visibly inclined, this speaks of a strong trend. That means that whenever there is a ending of a session, when the VWAP is inclined, that means that the trend is strong. I'll explain you in this graph a little bit about it. So VWAP is dynamic at the beginning of the day, and VWAP is smooth but inclined. So as you can see here, here is a blue line. This blue line is known as a trend line. So it is a bearish market. The market is falling. The price is almost like from here to at the end of the day to at the starting of the day to end of the day, it's like completely fallen. So you can see this is a bearish market. At this point, this blue line is almost inclined to the candles. That means that the trend is strong. Okay, so I'll just explain you this in live so that you can have some more brief idea about it. So this is a chart of State Bank of India in investing.com. So as we are learning about technical indicators, you can choose any number of like 5 minutes, 1 hour, 15 minutes. So I'll select 15 minutes so that you will have a brief idea and you will get more data in it. So VWAP, you will get this. So there will be a small line formed here which is not visible. I'll just increase the size of the line 1 second. So now you can see a blue line which is formed here. So I'll just teach you how to analyze this line. Okay, so as you can see here, this is a red candle formed here. After this red candle, another red candle, and here you will not take a trade. You will just wait for the confirmation. The confirmation is that the candle should be formed below this blue line. So that is the point when you will be taking a sell order. So you can see here, after this candle, there is a candle formed below this candle. So the next candle is also below. So at this point, what you will do, you will always take a sell order. This is a confirmation for you that the share price is going to fall. So for example, if you have taken a sell order at this point at 191, see how the share price has fallen to 186. So almost 7 rupees profit within a fraction of minutes. So for example, if you have taken a total of 1000 shares, so 1000 into 7 will be a 7,000 rupees profit in a fraction of just a minutes. Okay, so that's how you trade using this. So next, take this graph from here, from this point. So here you can see a red candle formed on the line. The next candle is also formed on the line. So at this point, there's no confirmation, there's no movement of graph. So you will not take a order at this point. You will just wait for the signal to move in any one of the direction. So if you see here, there is a green candle formed here. So after the green candle, it got end here and the next candle had started at here. So that means that this is a confirmation that the candle is going to move in upward direction, so that the price will be moving in forward direction. So as you can see, once you have taken an order here, the price is 191 at this point. So see how much the price, 197. So from 191 to 197, almost 5 rupees profit. So for example, if you have taken 1000 shares, 1000 into 5, 5000 will be a profits. So if you trade according to the trend, you will always be in profits, you will not get a lot of losses. So this is how you analyze the VWAP trending line. So the main point you have to observe in VWAP is that whenever the candles form above the blue line, you have to always wait for the confirmation and take a buy order. In the same way, whenever the candles form below the blue line, you have to wait for the confirmation and take sell order. That's it. It's very simple and very easy. You have to just wait for the confirmation. You have to be in peace of mind. You have to not rush it. You have to just wait. You have to do some paper trading. You have to work out and you have to take a trade so that you will always gain your profit. So that's it for the day. It's all about the VWAP. So thank you guys. If you have any queries or any doubts, we'll be always available to help you out. So you can contact us at any time. Thank you.